Okay, so we are continuing with gateway problems for Math 104. So this one is problem number 56, and this is from the problem set 54 to 58. Okay, so this one is solved for r. 7 to the power 4r plus 1 is equals to 7 to the power r squared times 7 to the power 5. Okay, so what we are going to do is that if you look at the right hand side, so this one we will be able to use law number 1 for this right hand side, and that's what we are going to do first. So for this part we are just going to use law number 1, and this is essentially what we will get. So the left hand side remains unchanged. 7 to the power 4r plus 1 is equals to 7 to the power. Now we are using law number 1. So if you know law number 1, what we're going to do is that we are just going to add the exponents together. If we add the exponents together, we will get r squared plus 5. So now we will get 7 to the power 4r plus 1 is equals to 7 to the power r squared plus 5. And the next step, as you can easily guess, will be to take logarithm both sides. And if you take logarithm both sides, so we are going to take log with respect to with the base 7. That's what we are going to do. So log with base 7 gives us, from the left hand side we will get 4r plus 1 should be equals to, from the right hand side we will get the exponent, which is r squared plus 5. And now we are getting an equation. So the way you solve an equation like this will be, you take all the terms to one side. So let us say we are just going to take all the terms to the right hand side. So in that case what we are going to do is that we have to subtract 4r and plus 1 from both sides. If you subtract 4r plus 1 from both sides, in the left hand side we will get 0, and in the right hand side we will get r squared plus 5 minus 4r plus 1. So now in the next step, don't forget to distribute the negative sign. So if you distribute the negative sign, we will get r squared plus 5 minus 4r minus 1. So this is what we get in the right hand side. And so this thing is nothing but r squared minus 4r, and 5 minus 1 gives you plus 4. So we will have 0 is equals to r squared minus 4r plus 4. So the way you solve this kind of equations is quadratic formula, because this one is a quadratic equation. So if you use the quadratic equation and solve for r, we will get r should be equals to minus b, which is negative 4, plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2 times 1. And this one is 4 plus minus, so negative 4 whole squared is 16, and 4 times 4 is 16. So this thing gives you 0. So 4 plus minus 0 over 2 times 1. And this one is nothing but 2. So the solution for this particular problem is r is equals to 2, and we are done.